Hello students, today we will discuss the balance sheet of question number 35. We have prepared balance sheet format, liability side and asset side. First of all, we will write the capital accounts of X, Y, Z in liability side. Then we write capital X, Y and Z. X capital will be which is transferred from capital account 72,200. Then Y capital will be 40,800 and Z capital will be 22,600. The total will be transferred to order 8 to 10, 16, 1 carry, 5, 7 for 11 to 13, 1,35,600. After that, we will transfer to workmen compensation fund. In question, they are given compensation. They are given here 8,000, and in adjustment, the liability of workmen compensation fund is determined at 6,000. Then, whatever liability is determined, it will be shown in liability side. So, workmen compensation fund 6,000. Then creditors, there is no provision for creditors. Then creditor will be transferred to same amount in 24,000. Next, after that, we can calculate the total of this side. In last 600, 5, 6, 11, 4, 5, 3 to 5, 1, 6, 1,65,600. And after that, we have to prepare asset side, in which first of all we will write cash account. In asset side, cash are given 18,000. New partners brings goodwill amounted 15,000 and capital amounted 22,600. Then total will be 8, 5, 13 to 15, 1 carry to 4, 55,600. After that, debtors will transfer to lab asset side, and debtors is 22,000 and stock is given 24,000 only, and there are some provision related to the stock, which is in the adjustment evaluation of assets building 36,000 and stock 32,000. means stock appreciate हुआ था, then by the amount 8,000 plus appreciation 8,000, the total will be 32,000. Then building value, in asset side building is given 16,000, and in adjustment it is revalued at 36,000. So it will appreciated by 20,000 and total will be transferred outer side. After that, machinery will be transferred in same manner, because there are no provision for related to the machinery. Machinery will be 20,000 Then we can check the question. First of all, cash. Cash included goodwill value and capital value. Debtors, there are no provision related to the debtors, so debtors will be 22,000. Stock is appreciated by 8,000, then 8,000 will added to the value of 30,000, and building will also appreciated by 20,000. The total will be 36,000, and machinery, there are no provision related to the machinery account, then total will be transferred to 20,000. After that we can total this side, by which we know the total will be matched. Then 600, 5 to 7 to 9, 6 15, 6 to 8, 3 11, 3 14, 2 16. Then total will be same, and question is completed. If there is any query regarding, everybody can ask on my WhatsApp number and group also. We can remind this question. Liability side, first of all capital account, working capital construction fund, debtors, and asset side, first of all cash account, and debtors, stock, buildings and machinery. After that we can total and tally the amount. The total would be same, 1,65,600 and 1,65,600. Thank you.